Hey guys, CJ at America's Motorsports here. Today we're going to be showcasing this custom build that we just finished up for one of our clients. I'm going to be walking around and showing you all these different parts and accessories that we put on here. Stick with me, let's go ahead and get into it. All right guys, so we're going to start at the very front of this machine. This is a Yamaha RMAX 2-seater. Now, some of the things that we did here, up top we have a roof mounted LED light bar, as well as a hood scoop LED that also has strobe function. And then we get into here into the grille, we put these LED fang lights. Looks very nice. To wrap up the front end, we installed this Super ATV front bumper. Now I'm going to be showing you a whole lot of parts that we put on this. I know you want to see them all lit up. Stick with me, okay? At the end of the video, we're going to light this thing up. All right, now that we've looked at some of the stuff in the front, let's check out some of the stuff that we did here in the back. Now, we have some pod lights that were mounted on both sides of the cab, as well as our chase bar that works alongside all the rest of the lighting system. Now, this is a Yamaha black glass for the cab. It is sliding rear glass, so you can also get for these RMAXs that are very nice, very high quality. Now coming down here to the wheel wells, all the way in four corners, we have rock lights that have been installed. And to wrap it all up, we have that matching rear bumper. All right, now that we've shown you all the parts on the outside, let's show you how to work it all. Now before we get in here, I do want to mention that we did put some of these 4-point harnesses in here. Very high quality, very sought after, okay? Now, with our switches that works all of our wiring that we talked about, we have our turn signals, we have our LED light bar, our hood light strobe system, as well as our rock lights. Now, all of these work everything that's up front that we talked about earlier. And if you look down here, we have a whole nother separate panel that controls all of our lighting that is on the rear of this vehicle. Now that we've shown you all of these things, shown you all of the parts, how to work it all, let's light this thing up like we promised and have a look. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like and subscribe to see content like this in the future, and we'll see you in the next one.